This is the beauty of coding.
He's my former student from other. So, any message from there?
Hello po, good morning po sa inyo lahat. And happy Kumi nga pala, former student ni survey back 2003. And dati ako nag-work sa pharmacy. And after ko makagraduate sa medical coding, nakahanap ako ng nakilap ako sa work na nag-gamit ko lahat. Sobrang thankful ako na to na makapag-aral. And yun nga, recently nakapasa ako sa EAP sa exam. And I'm so blessed and so thankful sa lahat ng mga tumusang. Lalo sa sir, kasi alam mo ba nung nagre-review kami, umabot kami hanggang 11 p.m. No? Ang ginagawa ko lang ganun, nag-spend ako ng 2 to 3 hours a day. As in, every day na mag-review, magbasa, at yun, magsagot ng mga questionnaires hanggang sa, eventually, ayun, nag-decide ako take na pa lang, nag-start ako mag-review hanggang April. And then after yun, pasama ako sa exam.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Noy, for that inspiration. Actually, si Ma'am Noy, they are my Kulog babies. Sila yung mga taga-Kulog. And then, wala pa nga siya graduate lang siya, naghanap siya ng trabaho, agad-agad. Maybe wala pa siyang licensure that time. Oo. Di ba, it's a life-changing opportunity talaga. From working as a pharmacist, naging insurance coordinator ka sa isang medical biller siya. At least, yun, a stepping stone yun siya class. Okay? That will help you na maging isang coding. Because medical biller din is part of the coding din. Hindi natin alam. Okay? So, opportunity talaga. So, yun, all of us will start from the scratch talaga. Yung alam ko sa inyo, walang medical background, but I'm pushing you hard talaga na matutunan nyo lahat. Okay? O, kasi may iba na gusto mag-nursing, o i-discuss ko talaga, alam niyo yan. From signs and symptoms, sa treatment, sa procedure, lahat. Noemi, thank you for your inspiration. Okay. Oh, di ba? Okay. Kaya, I'm so honored din kapag may nakapasa na estudyante. Okay. So, what we call this, blessing din sa akin kasi naibigay ko lahat sa kanila. Okay? Na matulungan ko kayong magbago din yung buhay ninyo. Kasi working here, even me, I'm working here so long, is parang nasa isang box lang tayo. But we cannot see the opportunity outside. There's a lot of opportunity talaga outside. Just explore and try. Walang mawawala. Okay, if you want to change your life, then start choosing your life. I know choosing medical
most of the time that the GCI are coming for them.
Oh my God! Mama Lou, do the honor for the raffle. Okay? Under the DTI representative. Okay? Wait. Okay? Just press enter. Okay? And the speed.
We will work together in collaborative way and also improve the quality of documentation. If we can do all this and we believe that we can make changes so we can affect on the future of the healthcare system, as today I might be the patient in this system, tomorrow somebody else, and it will bring a better outcome for all the people that we are working with them. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Batul. Okay, a warm applause again for Miss Batul because she taken her time to ask today, even in the urgent time that Mama Lou. Mama Lou, sagot mo. Hyper ang mga bata. Bawi,
Pero yung essential.
Ang living kasi sila pala.
Ang layo.
Layo. O, di buburahin natin ko, sir.
It is a condition.
Hindi, ano daw siya yun?
Valedictorian, wala. Sunod valedictorian po.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ready. Okay, write your answer na. Your final answer, right? Wala. Oh, wala na. Amy from... Aha.
Wait lang, sir.
4. Wala, wait. 3. Amy from the old Jets.